I want to propose a toast to my crew.
Twice the ass, twice the cash.
Oh, great work, Paulie.
I'll do anything for you, Paulie. You know that.
Are we late for dinner?
Filthy friggin' rat.
All fingers are pointing at you.
Don't make me hear things!
You got it, Paulie.
I want to get something to eat.
You got it.
Where is this fucking guy, Paulie?
Wait a minute, hold on. I personally whacked an auto and I'm getting passed over?
What are you doing? Want to get us killed?
Where the hell?
Nobody touches Nick Borelli.
Hey, Rocco. Got anything illegal on you?
What the hell's going on? Oh, I'm glad you two can drink.
What do you got under that jacket?
The hell do you care?
Whoa! Get on your phone! What are you doing? Because as of now, I don't trust any of this.
Well, I got news for you.